Shovelhead Fej. Today I'm not in the Shovelhead shed. Today I'm actually in Chopper Rod's shop and beef jerky emporium, where he makes the finest beef jerky known to mankind. Okay, that's a total lie. But he does work on things out here. So anyway, today we're going to take the motor out of that, it's the B motor out of the, what year is that, Rodney? 2004?
2004, yeah.
2004, yeah. 2004 Deuce, and we're going to finish taking the motor out and put the motor in. Because we are slow and lazy, probably not going to have it running today, but at least we'll get the motor in, get it all bolted up, tightened up, and then he'll get it running. So, all right, man. See you in a bit. Right, Rodney?
Right on.
Right on.
Let's get her done.
Get her done, son. You ready?
Yeah, so I was thinking, you know, if we can just get it down to here, we can set it on this. You want this side, or do you think we both ought to get on
It's
this
only
side?
165 pounds, man.
Is that it?
Yeah. You got the bolts out?
Yeah. I'll just sit.
The battery box is out.
Starter's out. Everything's out. She's loose, actually, now.
Loose at the good. This is off. Nope.
What?
The stator. Or not the stator, that thing.
Yeah. Low pressure. Maybe?
No, I think you have to take an Allen bolt.
Okay.
No.
No, that's an Allen.
Is that an Allen?
That's an Allen.
Okay.
You gotta get
It's
in there
not.
straight.
No, dude.
You're not even in there straight.
Where's the other one?
Oh my God, this is gonna take forever.
Yeah, I know. You're in. Where's that fucking...
Dude, I'm telling you, you weren't even in there straight. You were off the thing.
No, it's fine.
Then you're gonna have a good time getting that in because you kind of burned it up in there.
Smell it, dude. No, really smell it, dude. I mean, I'm being serious. It smells like fucking burnt asshole.
Oh, yeah.
What the fucking... What'd you do to this motor, man? What'd you do?
Mm-hmm.
Strong like bull.
That's how you do it. Alright. Now I'm gonna tip this thing over, rolling it out.
master motor builder at work. Look at the intensity on his face. Look at that one eagle eye. Rodney has the eye of an eagle and the eye of a sparrow. Just got stuff on my lens, man. Yeah, on the twin cams, they had a real bad problem with the breather baffle, the oil breather, the PVC valve. There's different names for it, but anyway, this element gets all gunsed up and it just deteriorates into nothing. So they came up with a better solution, Harley-Davidson did. And so since the other motor had brand new ones on there, we're just swapping them out because they only last like 30,000 miles. So we figured we got them, we might as well swap them out. And if you have a twin cam motor, 100%, you need to get these oil baffles. I forgot exactly what Harley-Davidson calls them, but I know what they look like and I know what they do. And you have to use the bolts that come with it. Don't reuse the bolts because the original bolts are way, way longer and these are shorter bolts. All right, well, the motor is in, and then I'll let Rodney tighten up, do the little nuts and bolts and the little easy stuff, and that's it. But the motor is definitely in. Wasn't that hard of a deal. It was a pain in the butt, like anything. If you got to work on anything is a pain in the butt, and you got to work on it. But anyway, yeah, now he just has to just put the little minor adjustments on it, change the plugs, and just basically put it all together, put the intake on and stuff like that. And that's it. I'm going to go home and eat lunch because my wife has food waiting for me. Yay!
That's why you're in a big hurry.
Heck yeah.
SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com.
Yeehaw!